Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to download Windscribe VPN on a PC. It is super easy. First head over to a browser of your choice, and once you are there, what you need to do is simply search for Windscribe in the search bar. So I'm going to be doing that just like this, and once I search in here, Windscribe, then what we need to do is simply head over to the platform. So the very first link is the one that we need. Now head over to download option, and you're going to be clicking on the desired download link, like for example Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. On Windows, you're going to be clicking on download, and the downloading is going to be started at the top right, as you can see here. And yeah, so basically that's how you can easily download Windscribe for PC. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and see you in the next video.